So this is an absolutely beautiful plant or tree, Magnolia, Magnolia tree. I wanted to just show you a problem though that sometimes you will have with this type of tree, and it often happens anywhere from June to September depending on where you live. It specifically happens in hot and humid places. Sometimes if there's any kind of circulation issues, it can be a factor in it, but it is a type of fungal disease. It's called powdery mildew. So if you kind of look at the, and it will cause the leaves to kind of curl a bit, but if you kind of look at that almost like a powdery look to it, sometimes it looks like somebody actually dusted it with powder, or like just some flour. So you can kind of see in some of those areas there, and it causes the leaves to sometimes curl, and it's just really not good for the plant overall. You see some spots there as well. Sometimes it can have more than one issue as well, but you can kind of see that powdery, almost like well, it's exactly what it sounds like, powdery mildew, like someone just put some flour or baby powder on there. So that's definitely something that you'll see quite a bit with these type of trees as an issue, especially when they're first getting established. But what you can use to help prevent this, and also to help treat this, is fungal oil. I like this product. I have already used it on this, and I will retreat in about 7 to 10 days. But it's good to get the undersides as well. And then if there's any really bad leaves, as far as like just completely dead, I'll remove those as well. That's a good idea to also make sure that you're not watering in the nighttime, and also making sure that we actually use a concentrate, because we go through quite a bit of this, because I don't just treat the Jane Magnolia with this, but I also treat my peach tree with this. I also treat even, there's some spots on there that are fungal spots in the hydrangea. Oh, I'm running out there, but I do use the concentrate for that reason. I also use this product on my roses, and I just used it the other day, and it looks great already. And you see the blooms. And then I use it on my peach tree as well. This is a dwarf peach tree. You can see a lot of times if there's spots on it or the leaves are curling. And then here's another hydrangea that I'm getting ready to use it on.